Oh, I started back at the right time. I just unpaused my video and got that. Got lucky right there. You missed it. That one was big too.